Hello, divines. It's me, Drykka, and this is Drykka Lightwork and Tarot. Um, I'm just here today to share with you guys that I'm very pleased with the watches. You guys have been watching. Yes, I love that. And to say that, I wanna find a way to spread light and love even more. So, because I'm feeling that light and love in my heart, and I want to all to share that. I want to share that, and I want you guys to also know that you are light and love inside of you. Yes, inside of you, you are light and love. And I wish, oh, don't you like my nails? I just got my nails done. It's so cute. I love my little, my flower. It's beautiful. Oh, anyway, those little things that make you happy, go towards them. Because, sometimes we get so overwhelmed with the big picture. What is happening? Like, what you gotta do in this? Slow down. Look inside of you. However, don't stop. Keep it going. And I think what you need, my message for you today is to keep going. It doesn't matter what. Keep going because you are amazing. You are beautiful. You are the best. And don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. Find that. Find that light inside of you. Feel that you are divine. You are divine. There is so much there in life for you. There is infinite love, infinite unconditional love. It doesn't matter who you are, where you at in life. It's love. It's just love. Optcha, meu pai. Optcha, meus ciganos. Minha mamãe Iemanjá, meu pai Xangô. Stay here with us and help you, all those divines, to feel that energy and to feel loved, to feel like there is love in their life. It doesn't matter which path they follow, there is love. So that's for you. It doesn't matter which path you follow, love will be there for you. Love will be there for you. And don't be surprised if you feel that love, if you feel the heat. Oh, I feel like dancing. That's me. That's the crazy me. But all right, let's see. I'm gonna pick you one, maybe two, maybe three. Who knows? A couple cards for us to see. They are Namaste cards. Blessings. It's divination card. Just Namaste. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh my goodness, are they so beautiful? Look at that. Look at the design of this. Do you see that? So beautiful. Like, I should go one by one. I know it. If I'm going too fast, you can stop the video or something. Look, they are amazing. They are so beautiful. The sun. The sun's gonna shine for you. It's already shining. It's not going to. It's already shining. Life is so beautiful. Life is so good. I know that things happen to us. And so what? I should tell my students. I know that's not really a good thing to share, but I say, don't you poop? Yes, you poop. So shit happened. And what do? You sit down in the bathroom right there and keep smelling the shit? No. Clean your butt. Yes, clean up in your butt and keep it going. That's life. Shit happens in our lives. So what do? We clean our butt and keep it going because we're not gonna be sitting down the shit or carry that shit with us. You clean, you throw the toilet paper they used, flash. It's gone. Until the next shit come. But then you are living your life. Sorry. You might hear me saying that all the times in the channel. It's just like I believe that there's so much goodness in this word. We need to start to spread that goodness in the words. A blessing of acceptance. Every part of you is equally worth of love. Accept yourself as you are, and this will be a blessing unto yourself and others. If you wish to see the truth of the matter, hold no preference, either for or against a particular outcome. Just be the love that you truly are. Oh my goodness, that is totally. This is how. That is exactly what I wanted you to feel today. A blessing of acceptance. Every part of you is equally worth of love. Accept yourself as you are, and this will be a blessing unto yourself and others. If you wish to see the truth of the matters, hold no preference, either for or against a particular outcome. Just be the love that you truly are. Be the love that you truly are. Be the love that you truly are. I love you all. Namaste. We are going to grow together. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you later.